Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this tutorial we will explain join clause. First, what is join clause? Join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. In another meaning, you can retrieve data from two or more tables based on logical relationships between the tables. Let's see what types of SQL Joins clause and the difference between them. First type is inner join. This type returns records that have matching values in both tables. For example, you need to know the product category, product price, and you have two tables, products table and categories table. These two tables have relation between them. So how you do that? Write this command and execute, then see the result. As you see, the inner join returns only rows with a match in both tables, which means that if you have a product with no category ID or with a category ID that is not present in the categories table, that record would not be returned in the result. The second type is left join. This type returns all records from the left table, table 1, and the matching records from the right table, table 2. The result is 0 records from the right side if there is no match. For example, we have two tables, customers table and orders table, and you need to know the customers name all orders they have. How you do this? Write this command and execute, then see the result. As you see, the left join returns all records from the left table, customers, even if there are no matches in the right table, orders. The third type is right join. This type returns all records from the right table, table 2, and the matching records from the left table, table 1. The result is 0 records from the left side, if there is no match. For example, we have 2 tables: orders table and employees table, and you need to know all employees and any orders they might have placed. How you do this? Write this command and execute. Then see the result. As you see, the right join returns all records from the right table, employees, even if there are no matches in the left table, orders table. This is the end of this video. See you next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.